Ever wondered why we sneeze? It's more than just an annoying reflex. Your nose is like a security guard. It traps dust, pollen, and germs before they reach your lungs. But when too many irritants build up, your body launches a powerful sneeze to clear them out, at speeds up to 100 mph. Did you know sneezes are so powerful they can send 100,000 tiny droplets flying? And no, your heart doesn't stop when you sneeze. It just slows down for a split second. So next time you sneeze, remember, it's your body's way of keeping you healthy.